This video, you're gonna see my hair turn before, then to after.
Hi guys, this is Akila Grant with DIY Power Couple, and I'm so excited to share our very first fun hair Zoom ready DIY video.
Hi guys, welcome. We're going to share how we got our daughter excited about going back to digital learning with a fun Zoom ready hairstyle. My daughter and I share the same 4C hair texture, and sometimes it's a challenge for us to detangle our hair. This multi-style comb has saved my life, and I'll put a link in the description below. She decided she'd like blue hair for this hairstyle, so I went ahead and picked up a pack along with the pack of braiding hair I already had. Okay, so let me get my disclaimer in now. I'm just a mom. I am not a professional stylist. None of these products are sponsored. This is what we got on our own. And this is not a tutorial. It's just to share a fun style with you. We just wanted to share an idea that did work in building our daughter's self-esteem and confidence in her hair. So this is our first time trying a no crochet rubber band method for adding hair. At first I was dividing my daughter's hair with the hair that was added and doing a twist from there. I'll show you how I changed that up a bit by the fourth twist. This is my first time trying this reverse twisting method, and it's much easier than braiding. There are many videos that show you exactly how to do it. I don't even know how to explain it. I can just show it. Now by the fourth braid, I decided to separate her hair with the top piece and the bottom piece of the added hair instead of doing it with each side. This method helped a lot more with covering her hair during the twist. I slowed this down a bit so you can kind of see how I am turning my hand as I'm twisting the two pieces around each other. I am adding gel to her hair as I go along to kind of try to smooth it. The hair texture in the back of my daughter's hair is just like mine and different from the rest of her hair. If we can finish these twists in the back row, then we are good for the rest of her head. And as you can see, some of my press-on nails fell off in the process. As I continue to twist, I notice her hair keeps stretching longer and longer, so I'm trying to at least twist past her real hair. I want to take this time to thank the stylists who do post hair tutorial videos because they are so helpful. Thank you. They have really been helpful with techniques and ideas on how to maintain my daughter's natural hair. I used to try to bead with using only my hands and it took forever. I learned about this beader tool through one of those videos and it has really helped save time. It's funny that even though I'm a DIYer, I'm not really good at explaining hair techniques. It's better for me to show you. Here I'm trying to match the length of each twist with the beads. I decided that for Zoom hair, it's okay if they're not exactly the same length. Now I'm wrapping hair around the bead to put the rubber band in to hold it in place. Now let me show you how we got to these blue beads. I took my kids to the beauty supply store so that my daughter could pick out all her hair ornaments. Do your daughters like this? Because mine loves this. She even has her brother helping her, and she'll look at every single hair ornament, everything that's in the store.
Yeah. I think we should get
We
you
usually
two
have
big
to
packs.
narrow down our
One
selections.
silver and one that, yeah.
I'm glad it
That
only
good?
takes a couple dollars to buy something
good?
that makes someone
You
feel
like that?
special.
Okay.
I told her that we needed the extreme hold of Shine and Jam, but she seemed to really like the purple packaging, so we just went with that one.
You want?
She even chose the styling mousse based on the packaging because she saw that it matched the same name as her gel. These ladies are not Zoom ready, but they are preparing their
Try that
hair
one?
so that they will be. She really enjoyed being part of the process. So these are the products we used on her hair. I use a mixture of olive oil, black seed, avocado, and argan oil. I mix it together in an old product container that I like the shape of. The other DIY mixture is shea butter and coconut oil whipped together with the other oils. We put this on our hair and skin. You can visually see the difference in texture of the second row twists. Her hair is blending differently with the added hair. We are all done with the back and the beads, and now we're going to start with the blue hair in the front. I'm adding my Natural Products DIY mixture to each section of hair. Then I add the gel on the sides for the shine and hold. The blue hair looks purple under this lighting. Because she has a lot of oils and product on her hair, I don't mind using rubber bands. I'll show you towards the end how I take my rubber bands out. It's pretty easy for me. So we're going for this style of twists all over, with the front half in the bun and the back down. I'm also adding a little bit of the Extra Hold Eco Gel as I'm twisting her hair with the added hair. We're twisting the blue hair in the front all the way down so that we can use it to wrap it in the bun. Here's another view of adding the blue hair in the front. By this time, I was feeling much more confident of my twist technique. Now we were going to add blue hair to the entire top section. However, her hair had grown so much and was so thick on the top, I just decided to keep the twist without adding any hair. I didn't want the added hair to be too heavy for her. So for this section of twists, I'm just using natural products and gel and twisting all the way down. The leave-in conditioner and extra product leave a residue on the hair. The nice thing is that it soaks into her hair as it dries. Guys, I really like this twist hairstyle because it's easy to put in without a lot of tears and it's easy to take out. I was also happy to see how much her natural hair had grown. So now we have our mixture of twists and it's time to style it.
We're going to try to put it together.
I actually don't want fun now.
When she saw her little cute self in the camera, she didn't want to have a bun anymore. She wanted to leave her blue hair down. We had to make a little style adjustment so we could leave at least a little piece of the blue hair out. I'm really glad we didn't add any more hair to the top. It would have made it harder to create the bun. Just adding the colored hair around the perimeter still made a nice sized bun. Now it was time to add the ornaments she had picked out. The ornaments in the front didn't give her the look that she wanted, so we decided to make a little modification. It was very easy to just untwist the hair, and I'll show you what I used to take out the rubber band. So I use a sewing tool called a seam ripper. It sounds harsh, but it simply removes thread stitches and seams. I carefully put it under the rubber band and then pull. This is another tool that has made my life easier. My daughter reminded me of some extra rainbow hair we had. She used it for some of her Barbies when she was playing with their hair, but we had just enough for the 2 twists in front. I didn't mind her having a color celebration on her hair. This was a way she could express her personal style even at digital school. Laying the hair in between the sections made it easy to switch up the color. She checked to see if she liked it and thumbs up, so we went ahead and put a bead on it. I didn't have to use dyes or damage her hair to give her pops of color. I was really getting excited about her fun hairstyle. We're trying to make those two little rainbow twists equal lengths on the side of her head. I think she likes it. Now it's time for some styling moves. As I'm styling her hair, she's using every single product on a piece of extra hair we have. You just did okay. You like it, Isla?
Yeah.
And you can see, you know.
I never had long hair like this.
Mm-hmm. I loved seeing how this hairstyle made her feel. I also like that she could have length with a little twist texture. I don't know what it was about those blue beads, but she liked them. We did it. She is Zoom ready.
And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, you can DIY too.